Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG update. So this is an important update for those of you that participated in the Supra Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward in the future. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Supra token claim plan. So this plan is very essential. So you can see time to secure your airdrop is almost time carded. You can now select how you want to claim your token at TGE. So for you to get started, this is what you need to know. So first of all, there is a wallet known as Starky wallet by Supraoracles, and what you don't need to do is to either create a new wallet or you import if you already have the wallet before. If you don't have a wallet with Starky, you just need to create. Then after that, you set your claim plan. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. So there are two different options. There's an option for delegate. For you to delegate, you are going to receive 10% of the Supra token at TGE, with the remaining 90% claimable after 15 months. If you choose the other option, you will get 10% at TGE and the remaining 90% unlock at 3% per month over 30 months starting from TGE. So now what you just need to do to get started is to log in your Supraoracles account. So now it's going to show you something like this. I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. You need to visit supra.com/blastsoff/tokens. So I'm going to drop it at the description of this video. What you just need to do is to copy it. So now I'm going to show you time to secure your airdrop. You just click on select your plan. All right, set your claim plan. So delegate plan available for 18 days, 10 hours, 50 minutes as we time on making this video. So first you download the Starky wallet, install the browser extension and create your wallet. Just click on Chrome extension. It's going to bring you here for you to click on add. So you click add to Chrome. All right, so I've already installed it. All right, so you click add to Chrome, then you process it. So those of you using mobile phone, well, I'm going to make a video on how you can use your mobile phone to register. So I'm talking to those of you that don't have a PC to do this. I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone to partake in this before 18 days. So make sure to just stay tuned. This is mainly for those people that have PC, because I tried using Mrs. Browser, which is a browser that supports extension, but it did not work. Well, I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone to navigate around this for those of you that don't have a PC. So now what you need to do after downloading this is to open here and you click here. So click on it, open the app. That is the extension app. Now what you need to do is to create a new wallet. So put down your name, set a password, confirm a password. Alright guys, so after clicking next, you're going to see secure your wallet. You can skip it now, or you can just click on split key recovery secret phrase key. So please make sure to click on either of these. Click on secret phrase key to get your recovery phrase. Very important, so that in case you are to run into issue, you can recover your wallet back. So you just click here and just click next. So what you need to do is to just click to review, and you click on I have saved it. Then make sure to copy this and save it down somewhere. So this is in case you lost your wallet. For you to retrieve it, you need the secret phrase key. So I'm just going to skip it for security reasons. So set a default wallet. Not sure, so I'm just going to click open wallet. So this is the wallet for Supra. So I've already created the wallet. Now I'm going to visit this site again. Now click on connect. All right, so I'm just going to click on allow. So connecting. Wait for it to process. Alright guys, so you can see wallet connected. Thank you. Update wallet. Yeah, are you sure you want to reset your address? So if you click continue, you're going to see something like this. So click on connect wallet. Let me connect it again. Sorry, this is for those of you that want to change the wallet. Maybe I want to change the wallet. Connecting to Supra. Done. Now click continue. So this is my total Supraoracles token that I got. So watch this video to learn. To choose a token claim plan for smoother blah blah blah. So I've already explained it. Delegate token. No, I want to vest it for 30 days. So for those of you that want to vest, you can choose this. Those that don't want to vest, you can just delegate it for 15 months. Then you are going to get 10%. You're going to get 10% at CG. So guys, this is what you need to do. Then you click on confirm preference. So from here you can guide yourself. The reason why I'm not going to confirm this is because I'm going to show those that don't have a PC on how they can go about it. They are going to finalize it in that video. So if you don't have a PC, make sure to stay tuned to my channel. Very soon I'm going to make a video on how you can use your mobile phone to navigate around this. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.